November 5th. After 2 weeks of scrubbing and painting below, I tackled the repairs to the mast. The 2 lower shroud chain plates were ripped from the deck. The bolts sheared off, so the mast snapped cleanly at the first spreaders. I still had part of the extrusion I'd used to make the new mast before leaving Saint-Malo. I had it cut to make a sleeve, and once glued, screwed, riveted, and bolted, it should be as strong as before. November 20th. The mast has been repaired. All that remains is to reinforce the chain plates and secure them with larger bolts. December 5th. Ever since I arrived, I've wondered how to go about stepping the mast. There's too much swell in the harbor, and on land there's no crane tall enough. So I've decided to hoist Jean-du-Sud up on a slip, then load it and step the mast on the beach, and tow it into the water just before leaving. But I'll have to test the system I worked out in case I ever have to step the mast alone without a crane, with the spinnaker pole and cap shrouds hinged in the axis of the mast step and the main sheet tackle led back to a winch.